Davidson audio, Arun install. So we just got done with this install. It was a quick little 4-speaker bike. So this beautiful Challenger right here, what we'll do is we'll flip you around and kind of go over it real quick, and then we'll talk to them as they're getting ready to get on the road. So right here is this beautiful 21 Indian Challenger. As you can tell, power ports right there. So what we did is a nice basic 4-speaker package. So it's the one 800 watt amp, 6.5s in the fairing, 8-inch Cicada series in the lids with our Davidson audio lids right there, which it came out great. Got them nice tucked in there, crossover back there, everything wired up, the nice little seal. As you can see, a little Brave Wolf right there. Well, not just a little Brave Wolf. I mean, he's got it all over this bike. Came out really nice. Super happy with the way this came out. So we'll talk to him and send them on their way back to Orlando. All right, so we're gonna send them on the way. So I just wanna get a quick moment with him to see what he thinks. You got to hear it real quick.
Hey guys.
What's your thought of this system?
It is mind-blowing. I wasn't expecting this much quality of the sound.
No?
And I'm really, really impressed. And
Okay.
every Challenger should have this, period.
I think so.
Yep, and it adds to the beauty of the saddlebag. It looks like now it's complete.
Oh, I think so too. I was actually kind of worried about it, but especially in the black, I think it hides those humps a little bit better, so it kind of just blends right in. So overall, you think it was worth the trip from Orlando?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, I would. If I had another Challenger, I would be bringing it back again here.
Well, we appreciate it. We're going to send you all out on your way. We'll get a little video of this bike as it heads on out. And again, sir,
thank you very much,
I appreciate it. Look forward to see you down there. I'm actually going to be in Orlando next weekend.
Oh, really?
So maybe I'll come out and see you.
Absolutely. Just text me and I'll meet you up.
Cool. All right, we're going to send them on their way. And another one leaves the shop. Man. All that Brave Wolf right there. Well, it's one of those times where it's kind of a bittersweet moment. You love to see the bikes come here, get set up, and get back on the road, but once they actually leave, it's kind of sad, man. You spend all that time working on it, getting it set up, but completely worth it. Absolutely love it when the customers get their bikes and they're super happy with it. Can't wait to go see him down in Orlando next weekend. I'll meet up with him, do a little riding and stuff, and then, yeah, we're gonna be doing Knowledge Fest. So for that, this video's a wrap.